Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to flip and rotate a video in CapCut for PC. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your video in the CapCut timeline. As you can see, sometimes the video can be mirrored or rotated the wrong way. To fix this, select the video in your timeline. A menu will appear with several options. Look for the button that has 2 triangles and 2 arrows. Once you click it, a new menu will open. Here you will find 2 useful options. The first one is Mirror, which flips your video from left to right and vice versa. The second one is Rotate, which rotates your video by 90 degrees each time you click it. If you need a 180-degree or 270-degree rotation, just click the Rotate button 2 or 3 times. And that's it! Now you know how to flip and rotate a video in CapCut for PC.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.